In this tutorial, I'm coloring the Great Blue Heron on page 5 of Intricate Ink Volume 3, and I'm using the Tombow Irojiten Rainforest set of colored pencils. I'm going to do a little bit more blending in this tutorial than in my other one where I was just filling in areas of the drawing. And you can see I start out with lighter shades of yellow and then add darker shades of orange and red on top of it. It gives the appearance of kind of a translucent and glowing look. And I'm going to continue this throughout the whole drawing on the different shades of blue and light highlights on the neck and body and feathers. One trick to blending is to shade over a color with the other color. So you can see on the neck I'll put the blue on and then I'll shade the yellow just up to it and over it a little bit, and it kind of draws the two colors together. If you haven't colored a grayscale drawing before, there's an easy clue to follow. Just follow the lines in my drawings. I draw on the shape of the animal to give it depth, and if you follow that while you color, you'll do the same thing. Color in the lighter area of the drawings with yellows for highlights and the darker shades with blues and grays for shadows. It'll give your drawing depth and shape. The most important part of blending is to experiment. Try different colors together. Lighter colors over darker and darker over lighter. You never know what you're going to get until you give it a try.